Hey everyone, and welcome to Blastercraft. In this video, I'm going to modify something that I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but I'm going to do it. Alright, so when I showed off the build on this Glock 19, I mentioned the fact that I had made an adjustment to the slide stop because I was hitting it with my thumb. I ride a pretty high thumb, and so I made an adjustment and I put the Ghost bullet forward slide stop, thinking that it would clear, and I thought it did. But last time I was at the range, I actually had a few times where the slide would lock back with rounds still in the magazine, and I can only assume it's still because I'm finding some way to cantilever that up. And I do so when I'm paying close attention to my grip, I can avoid it. But when I just shoot like I normally shoot, apparently it's still a problem. I talked to a buddy of mine who is a pistol smith, and he said he knows a lot of people that have that same problem. And in fact, the bullet forward slide stop doesn't actually always resolve the problem. Sometimes it actually makes it worse. So here's why I think I have this problem. This is my 1911 Kimber TLE RL2. Man, this thing is I haven't held this in quite a while. Anyway, so same thing, high grip, and what I think is just the way the 1911 works. The pad of my thumb actually goes right here, and it's not really interfering with the slide stop. After years of shooting like this with this gun, this one is now giving me some grief. So basically what I did is after talking to my buddy David Bowie from BTC, Bowie Tactical Concepts, he suggested I trim up the factory slide stop and see if that doesn't make a difference. So no harm, no foul. I had it extra because I had already replaced it with the bullet. So if this makes it worse or for some other reason gives me some other challenges, I can always go back to my bullet forward slide stop. And yeah, the one thing I can tell you right now is it's pretty tiny, so I can't actually get enough leverage on it to release it. I have to use the slingshot method for re-engaging the slide into battery. But that's okay, that's how I normally do it anyway, so I don't think this is going to give me a problem, but it does remove a lot of leverage there. As a matter of fact, I mean, I cannot release that. So that's why they make extended slide stops to make that even easier, but extended just gives me more grief because I'm trying to make it smaller. Anyway, so here's the video of me making this modification, and tomorrow I'll get out to the range and just make sure that everything works the way I hope it does, and we'll see if it doesn't eliminate my problem of locking that slide back prematurely. Anyway guys, here you go. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.
hyperdrive.
Standing by your side with my heart on hyperdrive.